Hello, welcome to Made by KM. I am Kaushik. In this video, I will show you how to make DIY blackwater extract for aquarium. This blackwater extract is full of tannins, tannic acid and humic substances. This will lower the pH and reduce the water hardness as well as the toxicity of heavy metals in the water. This will make the aquarium water more natural and better for the fish and invertebrates that prefer soft and acidic water. Thus, it will effectively reduce the stress of the fish, enhance their color and encourage breeding. Since this extract significantly reduces the water hardness, it can also be beneficial for those who use hard water in their aquariums. In addition, this extract has antiparasitic, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thus, it can be used as a natural medicine for fish suffering from diseases or injuries to the skin, scales or fins. Now, using commercial blackwater extracts for a long time can be very expensive. So, I will show you a method by which you can make your own blackwater extract very cheaply at home. To make it, I am using dried Indian almond leaves here. First, take 13 grams or 6 to 7 Indian almond leaves. Then tear off the leaves and grind them in a mixer grinder. After that, take a pot and pour 1 liter of RO water. Add the crushed almond leaves to it and let it soak in water for 24 hours. Next day, boil the pot of leaves for 15 to 20 minutes, then let it cool and soak for another 24 hours. Next day, boil the leaves again for 15 minutes and let it cool. After that, take a measuring jug and filter the extract into it. Here, some water will evaporate during boiling, so you can add extra water if needed and make about 500 ml of extract. Then pour the extract into a bottle. The blackwater extract is now ready for use in aquariums. Add 10 ml of this extract per 10 gallons of aquarium water weekly or after a water change. After use, keep it in the fridge or in a dark and cool place. This blackwater extract is ideal for bettas, angelfish, cory catfish, tetras, barbs, discus, South American dwarf cichlids and other fish and shrimp that thrive in acidic water. Thus, it must be remembered that some species of fish and shrimp prefer high pH and water hardness, so this extract is not suitable for those fish and shrimps. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.